So let's just say the 250 East Championship is absolutely stacked. Now, obviously, you had a bunch of people not be able to race the West because of either injuries, illness, sickness, swapping, whatever. But from just the factory guys, you have 11 factory riders racing the West, two of which are defending championships or defending champions this year. Obviously, Tom Bial defending the East Championship that he won last year. You have RJ Hampshire coming over, who had the 250 West Championship, couldn't defend it because of an injury, moving over East. But just over the factory guys, you have Chance Hymas, Levi Kitchen, Cameron McAdoo, Seth Hammaker, RJ Hampshire, Austin Faulkner, Tom Vial, Pierce Brown, Max Anstey, Dax Bennett, and Nate Thrasher. Obviously, between Kawasaki and Yamaha, there is seven, seven, count them, guys racing this coast. But this is going to be insane. You think 11 guys who, for all intents and purposes, should be the podium or top five to podium winning championship level people. Like they should be the guys up front. If you're on these kind of bikes, if you have the names that they do, you have the talent that they do, they should be the people that are running up front, going for titles, going for wins and whatever. But if you have 11 of these guys all battling out for that, there is going to be some major, major point swings, I think, in this championship. Unless somebody gets out front and just absolutely dominates. Unless one of these guys just gets perfect starts all the time and can just absolutely run away with his championship, it's going to be huge. You think if you're 1 week winning, next week sixth, and that's not exactly going to be hard to imagine. I mean, everyone on this list, everyone I just named, should be winning races, should be on the podium, should be title contenders. And if you've got this many people all vying for that, that three positions, it means 8 of these guys are going to be out of that every single week. And hopefully, let's say, knock on wood, nobody gets injured. Because if this championship stays as packed as it is, it's going to be incredible. I mean, the East is going to be such a fun coast to watch. And I'm super excited for it. Obviously, the first round is this weekend in Tampa, and it's going to be great. It's going to be one of those funny things. I mean, storylines is here. You've got Bial defending his title. You've got RJ Hampshire coming over, technically defending a title, but on a wrong coast, but this would be his year for it. Can he, win one on both coasts? Cameron McAdoo, can he come back from injury and be healthy? Levi Kitchen obviously had to skip the West to race to the East. Can he, prove that he's a title contender this year? Austin Faulkner, can he prove or can he continue how good Triumph is doing with their first podium and their first win out west with Jordan Smith? Can he take that to the East? And all the Yamaha boys, who's going to be good there? I mean, obviously, you've got the young guy, Dax Bennett, and all the way up to Max Anstey, the old guy. Nate Thrasher, can he not yard sale himself this year? I think this is going to be the coast to watch. I mean, the West is awesome. There's some fun storylines, whatever, over there. But with this many people all racing, oh, and I forgot Chance Hymas coming off his knee. Can he continue his improvement from the outdoors and prove himself to be one of these top guys? But I'm super excited for this. Obviously, East Coast dirt, very different from West Coast dirt. And who of these 11, and this isn't even counting all of the privateer guys, everybody else is going to be racing. This is just the factory boys. These are just the big money bikes. This is going to be great, and it's going to be one of those fun things. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think Vial defends his title? Do you think RJ Hampshire goes 2 for 2 East and West? Do you think, I don't know, Faulkner takes one finally? Can he make it through the whole year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.